Hello children, how are you all? Today I have come with a new topic, my house. House किसे बोलते हैं? घर को, जिसमें हम रहते हैं. आपने एक पोएम तो सुनी होगी ना, ईस्ट और वेस्ट, माई हाउस इज बेस्ट. हम कहीं भी चले जाएं, बट हम एंड में कहाँ पे कंफर्टेबल फील करते हैं? अपने हाउस में. Today I will tell you about the different rooms of our house. Okay, let's begin. Children, I have made a puzzle of the house. See, this is a house and the house has different rooms. Today I will tell you about the different rooms of the house. The first room is drawing room. In drawing room we have sofa, table, television, vase and the drawer. We also call drawing room as a hall. In drawing room we receive guests. जब हमारे घर पे कोई गेस्ट आता है, मेहमान आते, तो हम उन्हें कहाँ बिठाते हैं? ड्राइंग रूम में. ओके. The second one is dining room. In dining room we have dining table and the chairs. In dining room we used to eat food. Third one is bedroom. Yes, in bedroom we sleep in our bed. In bedroom we have some furniture like bed, drawers, lamp, scenery, drawers. Okay. In bedroom we sleep. Bedroom क्या होता है? जहाँ पे हम सोते हैं. Children, this is bathroom. In bathroom we have tap, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, bucket, mug. In bathroom we take bath. Okay. I have some other flashcards also. I will tell you. This is kitchen. Kitchen has various utensils. किचन में हमारे पास मम्मा खाना बनाने के लिए बहुत सारे बर्तन यूज करती है ना. Kitchen we have different type of utensils. We have gas and cylinder, refrigerator in our fridge. In kitchen our mother cooks food. किचन क्या होती है? जहाँ पे हमारी मम्मा खाना बनाती है, जिसको आप रसोई भी बोलते हो. ओके. The next one is study room. Study room क्या होता है? जहाँ पे आप बैठकर स्टडी करते हो. In study room we have study table, chair, our computer, books, pen, pencil, erasers and lamp. Okay, children, today I have told you about the different room. Now we will do some activity with this. Children, now we do one activity. What is this? This is a drawing room. In drawing room, it is used to meet guests. जब हमारे गेस्ट आते हैं तो हम उन्हें कहाँ बिठाते हैं? ड्राइंग रूम में. So we will match this with drawing room. And the second one is dining room. It is used for eating meals. जब हम खाना खाते हैं तो हम कहाँ खाना खाते हैं? डाइनिंग रूम. ओके. एंड द थर्ड वन इज बेडरूम. इन बेडरूम इट इज यूज्ड टू टेक रेस्ट. हम कहाँ पे रेस्ट करते हैं? अपने bedrooms में. And the fourth one is it is used to take bathroom. Children, I have one activity for you related different rooms. I'll tell you. children, see, I have made different flashcards for you. Now, we will do this activity. Okay, see, what is this? This is a bed. Okay, now you have to tell me, where does we keep these things in our home? What is this? Bed. Now you tell me, where we keep our bed? In drawing room, dining room, bedroom or bathroom? Yes, we keep our bed in our bedroom. Okay. See, I have one other thing. This is a vase. And where we keep this vase? Yes, it is in drawing room. What is this? This is sofa. What is this? This is sofa. Where we keep this sofa? In drawing room. What is this? Chair. Chair we keep in our drawing room. What is this? Yes, this is toothbrush and toothpaste. Where we keep this? In our bathroom. What is this? Lamp. Yes, the lamp is in our bedroom. What is this? Almirah. This is an almirah. Okay. We keep our almirah in our bedroom. And where is television? Yes. We keep our television in our drawing room. And where is the mirror? Yes, the mirror is in the bathroom. And what is this? Dining table and chairs. Where is this? The dining table is in the dining room. Children, what is this? This is a kitchen. किचन किसको कहते हैं? रसोई घर को. In kitchen, what is this? Yes, this is a gas. And where is the gas? The gas is in the kitchen. We used to keep gas in the kitchen. And we have different utensils in the kitchen. And what is this? This is refrigerator, fridge. And where is the fridge? We keep our fridge in the kitchens. Okay, children. अब आपको क्या करना है? Now, children, I have told you about the different rooms of your house. अब आपने अपने घर पे देखना है कि आपके घर में कौन कौन सा रूम है और मम्मा से पूछना है कि जहाँ पे गेस्ट बैठते हैं उनको कौन सा रूम कहते हैं, ड्राइंग रूम, और जहाँ मम्मा खाना कुक करती हैं उस रूम को क्या कहते हैं? किचन. एंड वेयर वी कीप टेक आवर बाथ, दैट इज बाथरूम. तो आपने अपनी मम्मा के साथ बैठ के सारे रूम्स को देखना है और सारे रूम्स के बारे में पूछना है कि और उन रूम्स में कौन कौन सी चीजें होती हैं, उन वर्ड्स को आपने लर्न करना है. दिस विल हेल्प यू इन योर वोकैबुलरी. Okay, children. Okay, thank you.